Okay, this is what I got. Maximum strength. Cough plus chest congestion, which is what I have. Controls cough, relieves chest congestion. Dins and Lucas mucus, which is exactly what I want. DM. So, let's see directions. So, expectorant, whatever, that's the one that like helps with the mucus. So, if you want to look for the number, that one's 400. I had some that are higher, like 1200 stuff. This big bottle. It was like $10, 11 bucks. Probably tastes like shit, but I think this is what I used to use when I was little. So, let's see what it says. It's only 20 milliliters every 4 hours. I'm guessing there's a milliliter. Read label. I read the label. It says pour in the cup and drink it. This is supposed to be non-drowsy, which is good. That means I can take it before I go to a store, which is the main reason I buy it. Take it so I don't cough my brains out in the store. Yeah. Childproof caps. Raspberry? I guess. It's better than cherry, I guess. Yikes. Just make sure it's sealed when you open it. If this helps, I'm going to buy another bottle. Oh, damn, boy. Shit dick. They should make one like this that's not drowsy and gives you energy. Now that would be a winner in my book. Put the cap back on before I spill my $12 bottle of cough syrup. I don't know how people do that lean shit with this. Man, fucking crazy. You could vaguely taste raspberry. It's definitely not pleasant tasting, but it's not horrible. I guess we'll see if it starts working.